Hi everyone, welcome to Mama T's kitchen. My name is Justina, also known as Mama T, and I'm called Mama T because my two sons are called Tariq and Tyrus. And today I have one of them who is who's known as mini chef, always likes to help me in the kitchen. And do you want to come over, my mini chef? My assistant chef.
Hi everyone, my name is Tariq or TJ, and I'm also known as mini chef or junior chef because I love to help my mom in the kitchen.
Thank you very much. So today we are going to show you how to cook pilau rice. The pilau rice that we're going to cook today is originated from East Africa. There's so many variation of pilau rice, but today I'm going to show you my own recipe of pilau rice. Even I do have different ways of cooking pilau rice, but today I'll show you one of them. So bear with me. And anyway, before I carry on, I'll show you, I've done some preparations before I, just to save some time. So to cook pilau rice today, the pilau rice I'm doing today is the lamb pilau rice. It's also going to be served with what I call kachumbari salad. Goes really well with the pilau rice. So I'll show you what I've done, some preparations. So what I've done prior to, I have boiled some lamb. You can't see properly there. You'll be given some the recipe for this pilau rice, so I'll just tell you the ingredients of it, and I'll show you how it's made, and then if you need any recipe, it'll be provided to you with this video. Anyway, so the lamb is pre-boiled. I boiled the lamb for about 20 minutes, but before boiling letting the lamb cooked, I marinated the lamb with garlic and ginger and a bit of salt. Kept the lamb on the side with the marination for about 20 minutes. You can do it up to half an hour or even longer if you want it to be, very flavorsome. So I marinated the lamb and then boil it, let it cook for 20 minutes and then leave the stock because I had water. So the lamb is just roughly about half a kilo with 5 cups of water. So I've left the stock there, which we're going to use to cook pilau. Okay, and then I've got some chopped onions, used about 1 or 2 to 2. This is 1.5 onion, large onion. I've got a chopped tomato, and I've got the remainings of ginger and garlic. So altogether you need about 2 spoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of ginger, and 3 teaspoons of garlic. So these are ready here. And on the herbs, all the spices, there's 5 main ingredients you need to cook pilau rice, and those are cumin, cardamom, cloves, and what else? Did I forget anything? So yeah, luckily I've written so cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, and cumin. And this is the mixture of it. But they come in different variations. You can get, doesn't matter the packaging, but as long as you've got those 5, so you can use either the whole ones, or you can use blended. You can blend it yourself, or you can buy the pre-packed ones. Okay, and I've also got my rice. The rice is ready there. So I've used about 2.5 cups there, and I soaked the rice prior for about half an hour. Pre-soaked the rice. Washed the rice, and I like to use a basmati rice. Just to tell you a little bit about pilau rice. Pilau rice is originated from, I think, mostly Middle East and Asia, India, but it's been adapted in East Africa for quite some time now. So I remember since I was a little girl, pilau has been known as celebration kind of dish. So it's intensely flavored rice. We've always pilau is been associated with happiness. You know, usually we'll eat pilau during festive seasons like Christmas, you know, Sundays after church. We'll cook pilau, or if there's someone's birthday, any celebration in Tanzania or East Africa, you will always find pilau rice there. So it's associated with you know, celebrations, you know, happiness and stuff like that. So pilau is a happy dish. So we're starting our cooking. So on the large saucepan, I've let it, you know, I put the heat on medium, add some oil, and then, you know, once the oil's boiled, you add the onions, the chopped onions. So we're gonna keep frying the onions until they're golden brown, and then we'll add our spices. Mini chef, do you wanna keep on help there? My little helper is gonna continue stirring there. Doing a good job.
Thank you.
How is it coming out?
Very nice so far.
When I talk about pilau rice, it brings back loads of memories from when I was a little girl back home. As I said, pilau rice is associated with celebrations. Yeah, as I say, like those days as a small kid, during Christmas periods, or sometimes, you know, even Sundays or Easter time. Yeah, you know, definitely the pilau rice will be, you know, will be part of the meal. And I remember I used to be involved with the preparations, and I think that's where my passion for cooking came from, because I used to watch my sisters and my mum, you know, preparing all the spices, because you had to we had to do it everything from the scratch. Everything had to come from the scratch. So I really enjoyed the process, even though it was not an easy process, but in the end it was always worth it. So the onions have gone like golden brown, the color we wanted, and so now I'm going to add my spices, just adding like, so I'm gonna let everything mix up together and simmer for like 2 minutes, and I'm going to add the remaining ginger and garlic that's already, I used the fresh one, but I pre-grind it. Yeah, I blended it together, and I'm going to add it now. After like about 2 minutes, we're going to add our lamb, which is pretty good. So we're adding to the mixture and stir well. Together. And now we're going to add our rice. As I said, it was pre-soaked, so I've drained the rice earlier, and I'm going to add it to the mixture as well. Okay. This is the time where I usually get my assistant chef to help, but he had to do something upstairs. Anyway, we're going to stir this very well. And while I'm at it, I'm going to add some salt as well. So after like 2 minutes of turning, I'm going to add my stock. from the lamb. We'll add the fresh coriander. And then I'm going to put the lid on and let it simmer for another like 10 minutes and it should be ready. I'm going to put low heat. I'm going to show you quickly how to prepare the kachumbari salad. As I said, kachumbari salad, the original kachumbari salad is very simple. It's all you need is onions, tomatoes, and as I said, I've pre-chopped them before, and you need a little bit of, like a squeeze of lemon, and this is optional, chili. I've like chopped a little bit of chili there, and some salt. So any minute now our pilau rice will be ready. Just to remind you, so my passion for cooking, as I said, started since I was a little kid really. For as long as I can remember, I've always been a fan of cooking, and I took it from my mum, and I've always admired the way she handled the food, or she cooked in the kitchen. She always put her heart into it. But unfortunately my mum passed away in 2011, and since then I've always wanted to find a way to honor her, to keep her memory alive. So recently I've come up during the lockdown period, I've decided to create my own sauce. I've always wanted to have like some sort of my taste or my flavor in one bottle, but I didn't want to do just the sauce because I know there's loads of sauces in shops. So I thought of an idea and I came up with a 3-in-1 sauce, or it can be even it can be used in various ways. So basically I'm in the process of getting it to market. It's getting tested at the moment. This is just a little sample here. There's no names. I haven't designed anything yet, but I'm in the process, so it'll be out probably soon. But this is I call it Mama T sauce, Mama T 3-in-1 sauce. And it's why is it 3-in-1? It can be used as sauce, so a table sauce. You can use it for burgers, you can eat with chips or with rice, but it can also be used as a soup. It's also a soup, so you can add few scoops. It's going to be in a bigger bottle obviously, so this is just a tiny miniature sample. You can add a few spoonful in a bowl. So a bowl like this, you can add like 2 spoons of my sauce soup and then you add hot water, stir it, and you have a fresh made soup from the bottle, really full of taste, full of flavors. And you can also use it to cook so this will be my sauce coming out very soon, hopefully. You can keep I'll update people as soon as it's out, so you can follow my page. I'm on Instagram as Mama T's Kitchen, Mama T's Kitchen, or I've also got a Facebook page, Mama T's Kitchen as well. Follow me on that to get an update on my sauce. Okay, and our pilau rice is ready. Finally! Wow, the aroma that comes out of it is what get me going. Looks really delicious. And before adding our kachumbari salad, this is how the pilau rice look on its own on a plate. so you can see a bit of everything there. So we normally just go and add some kachumbari salad on top. So if it's saved on the table, you just add the kachumbari salad and it's ready to be served. Well, I love it. I hope when you try, you enjoy it too. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm sorry that my assistant mini chef had to take off because he had to attend to something, so he couldn't finish off the video with me. So until next time, as I said, you can follow me on Instagram, Mama T's Kitchen, and I've also got a Facebook page, Mama T's Kitchen as well. I sometimes post some videos of my different recipes there. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.